Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to iron name tags for uniforms. First, gather your essential tools: an iron, an ironing board, and a thin pressing cloth. Make sure your uniform fabric is clean and free of wrinkles before you begin. Carefully position the name tag exactly where you want it to be on the uniform, ensuring it is straight and centered for a professional look. Now, set your iron to the correct temperature, matching it to your uniform's fabric type to prevent damage. Carefully place a thin pressing cloth directly over the name tag and the uniform area. This protects both the tag and the fabric from direct heat. Press down firmly with the iron, holding it in place for about 10 to 15 seconds to initiate the bonding process. After the initial press, gently lift the iron and pressing cloth to check if the name tag has adhered properly. If it feels loose or not fully attached, simply repeat the pressing process. Place the pressing cloth back over the tag and apply firm, even pressure with the iron for another 10 seconds. This ensures a strong and lasting bond across the entire tag. Once the name tag is securely ironed on, it's crucial to let the uniform and tag cool down completely before moving or wearing it. This allows the adhesive to fully set. Also, avoid washing the uniform for at least 24 hours after ironing. For maximum durability and to prevent peeling over time, you might consider adding a few stitches around the edges of the name tag.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.